Just like Evelyn said before, secondary education is also important for women to have a better life later on. Most nonprofit organizations are offering help on both primary education and secondary education for women. A secondary school is a school intermediate between elementary school and college and usually offers general, technical, vocational, or college preparatory courses. Secondary education is important because it not only offers basics, but also teaches you how to better your life, and most jobs require at least a secondary school education. She's the First organization launched on November 1st, 2009, co-founded by Tammy Tibbetts and Kristen Brett, based in New York City. She's the First provides flexible funding to its partner organizations, which are 12 community-based organizations in 11 countries. This ensures girls not only attend school, but also receive additional support that's proven to work. Mentorship, knowledge of sexual and reproductive health and rights, and life skills. Its team helps girls to graduate high school by helping them to cover tuition and boarding costs, as well as offering individual guidance and providing essential resources like uniforms and medicine. She's the First selects girls to support based on financial need and academic potential. Next, let's move on to EduGirls program. EduGirls program is being developed at Vimukti School, Jaipur, India. They customize their program delivery to overcome all constraints faced by such girls due to the economic hardship, a gender bias, a pressure to get married young, and demands of their time at home. Their mission is to enable girls living in extreme poverty to achieve financial independence through customized quality education, vocational training, and college scholarship. But if girls want to go higher in their lives, a high school degree is not enough for them. Having a college degree, women can earn more on average, and their financial wealth would be more stable. Thus, their children won't face issues like gender inequality and have a better life. Asian University for Women is the first of its kind, an independent regional institution dedicated to excellence, women's education, and leadership development. Global in outlook, but rooted in the context and aspiration of the people of Asia. Asian University for Women is located in Chittagong, Bangladesh, open to women from all walks of life. Currently, they have 892 students from 18 different countries. They live and study together, and expanding their worldviews and embracing cross-cultural diversity as a strength, not a cause for division or strife. Students who will be considered for admission need to complete at least 12 years of education, receive an average of 60% of marks in examinations, especially English and mathematics, have leadership potential and positive for social changes. Asian University for Women also offers scholarships for students, but students must maintain a CGPA 2.0 to maintain their financial aids.